Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Gardening is a very pleasant and rewarding a hobby. Some nature lovers have a hobby of a gardening because they love nature's seasonic beauty. In gardening, people grow different type of a plants, shrubs, bushes, where flowers, blossom plants, and trees are an essential component of life throughout. Overpopulation has damaged the environment. Through gardening, we can reduce it in same extent. I have a big and a beautiful garden in front of my house. There are many beautiful flowers in my garden like rose, orchids, lily. My garden has all type of plants on same trees. My grandfather and I water the plants daily, and I have small beautiful garden in front of my house. And my grandfather loves gardening and tends to our garden every day. He bought me how to water the plants daily. There are many beautiful flowers, and gardening is a good hobby. You adopt it again and again. Gardening provides much needed fresh air in today pollution filled environment. Garden makes us fit and healthy by providing us a place to practice deep breathing exercise during morning time. Gardening helps us preserving nature and environment by planting various flowers and fruits and vegetables. Garden is the place that helps in relieving the stress as with the gardening our mood uplift quickly. Thanks for watching.